Granny.
What month is this?
Vlogmas.
Really? Okay.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hello everyone. Welcome. This is Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is having a very blessed day. And this is our 5th day.
Vlogmas, y'all. Yay, Vlogmas.
Hey, yes. So we're getting ready to do something special today. Alright, so I'm going to be reading my first scripture first. For we are saved by hope. By hope that is seen is not hope. For what a man sees, does he hope for? That Romans 8:24. Thank you so much. All right, I'm getting ready to do a steamed cabbage with sausage. This is one of the first dishes that I did when I started in 2021 of June. And I hope you guys will like this. It's very easy to do. I have smoked link sausage, which I've already cut up, and they're turkey sausage, of course. And I'm going to put them into. I have some butter that I've already warmed a little bit, and I'm going to turn them over in the butter.
Y'all know, so she have turkey bacon on there.
Okay. And I'm going to be cooking this at 200 that I started with. I just needed to kind of saute them over a little bit. I'm going to put just a little bit of the onions in there with it also. Spring water the cabbage first. They've already been washed and cleaned. I think a little bit of complete. That was my garlic powder, and this is the onion powder. And I have also a bit of Chesapeake Bay. broth in.
Just gonna put some vegetable broth in there.
I will be adding a little bit more later. I'm going to be adding the rest of the cabbage. I'm going to be adding some more of my ingredients to it also. That was the complete. This is the garlic powder. Onion powder. A little bit of Chesapeake Bay. I'm going to add the rest of my onion. And I'm going to add a tiny bit of sugar. Probably a tablespoon. I had 3 tablespoons in there. And I'll be putting some more broth in. And it's going to cook it for about 20 minutes at least. And I'll be back shortly.
We'll be back, y'all. Thank you. And y'all is cooking. Almost ready.
All right, I'm back with the finishing touches of the steamed cabbage and sausage with the bacon. This is turkey bacon with turkey sausage also with the steamed cabbage, and I mixed it with vegetable broth, onions and bell peppers, and all of my other. So I'm gonna do a little taste test.
Yeah, y'all can use whatever sausage y'all want. I just don't eat beef or pork, so she does it with turkey sausage and bacon, so I'll be able to eat it.
This is one of the first dishes that I made when I started with YouTube. And it was very delicious, and I've been trying to get it up for 1 or 2 more times since I don't think I put it up there. No, this is the first time. Okay, I think this is the first time I put it up since I did it the first time in 2021.
No, you had it up before.
Huh?
It's up before.
I did have it. Okay, she said I had it at one other time. So, This is very delicious, you guys. And it doesn't take long to do it. And it's like a one meal dish. And it's really, you can eat it for lunch or dinner or whatever, or just an appetizer. But it is very good. So I want you all to try this. When you're going to have company quick, want to do something real quick. And on top, it's very nourishing also. So I'm going to take this taste for you guys. I know it's delicious. Oh my goodness.
Make it all the time.
It is so good. So it's truly off the chain. Please believe me. If you try it once, you're going to do it again. And I know you will enjoy it. This is something extra that you can do for the holidays. Everybody loves cabbage most time. And it takes a very short time to get it done. And I hope you all will enjoy this video. This is our 5th day for
Vlogmas.
It's okay.
It's our 5th day for Vlogmas, y'all. So, woohoo!
Oh, thank you. Good 5th day. Thank you. Hope everybody will enjoy it. Thank you so much. With all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye. Have a blessed day. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. All of my subscribers, the new ones, the old ones, the one listening in, try it. Morning, noon, and night, whenever you turn the video on. Please try it. Thank you so much. With all my love. Goodbye.
Yeah, please watch the commercials. They help her channel a lot. And like and comment. We really appreciate it. She really appreciate it. Thank y'all.
Bye-bye.